Hey, what is going on, everybody out there? This is Jakejames Lugo, senior editor here at thekoalition.com, and I got a brand new unboxing and impressions video for you guys here on the YouTube channel. Hopefully you guys are really going to enjoy this one. Now, we're kind of cheating just a little bit here because I had to open these up beforehand. We've had these for about 2 weeks, but this is the Streak and the Mini Streak from Fnatic Gear. They actually had sent this to me a couple weeks ago with a couple other extra things, which I'll show you throughout the video, but big shout outs to them. So we're going to take a look at both of these keyboards. These are competitive gaming branded keyboards, but they're mechanical keyboards that also have a little bit of some lighting stuff to them, which is pretty cool. But to kind of, start things off, let's take a look at the Mini Streak, and then we'll look at the big one over here, okay, the Streak. So the Streak is a mechanical keyboard. The Mini Streak is like a smaller version of it overall that doesn't have like a number pad and stuff, but let's take a look at it, kind of unbox it here. Again, like I said, we're kind of cheating a little bit because I had to unbox these a little while back, but I'm going to do it here on camera so you guys can check it out. So here you go. This is the Mini Streak. You guys can see here, this isn't a wireless keyboard, okay? It actually does have a USB cable that goes into the back here, on the back side right over here. But as you guys can tell, I'm going to put it on the ground so you guys can hear it. Hopefully on the camera it picks it up pretty well, but you guys can see, you can hear all the clicks and stuff, and the buttons themselves feel very, very good overall. Just pressing them, you feel like, you get that feedback, or at least, that, that good press to know, like, when you're hitting certain keys and stuff. Now, the cool thing about this keyboard, however, is that it has a number of other different functions, which I'll get into in just a bit. I'll actually show you with my computer. But there's a lighting feature on it that you saw on the board, or on the box, that you'll be able to see in just a bit. But in addition to that, some of the other things that come in the box here, just to show you guys what is included. Let me put this over on the side. We got your manual, your quick start guide, which has a couple other little different things here. The quick start guide, again, we're not going to go through it now, but basically it just has all the different functions of which you could use with the mechanical keyboard. And then, of course, we have the USB cable, which I'll connect in just a bit because I actually use this keyboard a lot. I've been using it a lot since it came in. And also the little kind of like grip, the little soft like little pad here for your wrist when you're actually typing and stuff, which I'll put together now just so you guys can see it. Move this to the side. Let me first connect the USB cable just to go through the process. Let me know what's up in the comment section below if you guys are enjoying this unboxing, or you enjoy the unboxing impression series overall. Okay, so let's plug this in here. It's got little grooves over here that you guys can put the cable in. This is good for travel, like if you're going and taking a trip like on a plane or something, or if you have to go from event to event, you'll be able to kind of quickly just disassemble this, quickly put it in your bag, and then bring it out whenever you need to. If you go to your hotel, if you're going to a competitive esports event, you're playing some PC games, this is some good stuff to have. So there you go. There goes the pad, there goes the keyboard itself, there goes the USB cable connected to it, and later I'll actually put it on the, on the computer that I have here that will be able to actually see the different lights and stuff. But that's the Mini Streak. Overall, like I said, it's a good keyboard, great for travel, interesting, and it has, again, well-designed overall. So let me put that to the side. We're actually now going to unbox the big one, which is the Streak itself, the original Streak, or the new Streak, I should say, because this is the new model Streak from Fnatic Gear. Again, big shout-outs to them for sending this over to me as well, for me to unbox for you guys. So there you go. That's the full keyboard right there. Very similar in design to the Mini Streak. Okay, again, really the Mini Streak is kind of based on this one. But this one doesn't have a detachable USB cable. It has a regular cable that's, again, like any other standard keyboard. And it has a couple extra keys we'll get into in just a second. But in addition to that, let me move this aside so you guys can still see the keyboard. Here you go. You hear the clicks. Definitely feels good. Overall, everything else feels well designed. Again, as a mechanical keyboard, you love hearing those clicks, knowing that you're hitting specific keys that you want to hit. Again, we also got the quick start guide that is included in the packaging as well. Again, I'm not going to really look through it. It has a couple stickers and stuff and all that, but it also goes through all the different functions of what you can use with the keyboard. So let me put that to the side as well. And then finally, again, like the Mini Streak, I'll pull this one out so you guys can see it. We have your pad, of course. So just for the sake of this unboxing video, we'll put this to the side, put on the pad just to show you guys. Again, nothing on the bottom here except for the little kind of like little open flaps just to kind of stabilize the keyboard. But you connect this to here like that, and I actually got to fix the pad itself. There we go. And boom, you have your Streak ready to roll on your PC, whether it's a laptop, a desktop. It's all ready to roll. Now, what I'm gonna do is here, again, I'm gonna show you guys in just a second. I'm actually gonna show you guys the light up features that it has, as well as also some of the other little kind of cool, neat little abilities that these keyboards have on a computer. So we're gonna do that right about now. So here we go. We got a computer here just to show you guys what's up with the Fnatic, keyboard, the Streak. This is the Streak here. We're also probably gonna do the mini Streak as well afterwards, but I'm gonna connect this to the computer at the current moment and actually show you guys how this bad boy works. So here we go. It connected it, starts turning on, and there you go. There goes the cool, little light up effects that it has. Now again, it might be a little tough to see on the camera because of the lighting and stuff. Let me actually dim it for you guys, just so hopefully you could come off a little bit better on the camera. But you can see there's the little different effects that we get for the lights, the RGB lights and stuff. Now, you could actually change this up and actually change the pattern that for each of the different lighting effects. You got a bunch of different stuff there, a bunch of different kind of cool light up effects. There's a whole bunch of different neat little light up features that has with it. You could actually have it where it changes it up constantly. It has like a breathing motion, and it kind of cycles through different colors. You could do a whole bunch of different stuff. The one that I like here is obviously the one where it kind of like constantly has a gradation, a streak there, which is awesome. Again, fitting for the name, obviously. And then you also have another one where it has kind of like highlights different keys. You have other different effects where, depending on which keys that you actually hit, it will, have some sort of cool, like little effect like that, as you guys can see here. I think it's pretty dope, especially if you're using your computer at night. Again, you can really see how the lighting really goes. It's pretty awesome overall. But besides that, let me actually put it back to the original gradation right there, which is the one that it's just constantly, having a complete colors kind of scroll through. But in addition to all this stuff, you have a competitive mode that, again, let's say, for example, like if you want to kind of access keys, or if you want to really kind of turn on the beast mode and go into the momentum shift, you could actually hit the little Fnatic Gear button, which is right here on the sides. Again, it's a little hard to see on the camera, but you could actually hit that, and it'll kind of just light up all your keys really quickly, and you could just quickly access all your stuff, or you could hit it again and go right back into it. Now, in addition to that, you have a couple other features here on the Streak. You can lock up the escape key, which is pretty cool. So like, let's say you're getting to a really tough game and you're hitting a bunch of keys all over the place, and you accidentally hit escape. That could be a little bit annoying because you don't want to close out your window. You could actually lock that. You also have a mute button for your actual microphone, which is great, and also a mute button also for your sounds for your computer, which again, very, very simple. Now this scroll wheel is pretty awesome because you could actually scroll this and use this different, you be able to kind of like, minimize the volume of your computer rather than just hitting the mute button here and there. If you have like different features connected to your own mouse, let's say you got another mouse connected to your computer and you want to be able to use the mouse scroll wheel for like other functions in your game, you could actually just use the Streak's little scroll wheel here to minimize the volume instead, rather than just messing up all your macros and your other settings and stuff. But overall, this keyboard is pretty awesome. We're actually gonna now switch it over. I'm gonna unplug it, switch over to the mini Streak, just to show you guys, for the sake of this video, show you the mini Streak and its functionality. Again, it's very similar to the Streak, very similar in functionality. It just doesn't have the extra numpad. I'm actually gonna plug in the pad here. It doesn't have the numpad, it doesn't have the scroll wheel, which is fine, for people, again, depending if you're traveling or not. I can understand less bulk, which is all good, but let's put this here. Let's plug it in. Again, I already got it connected in the back, and now it's actually gonna go on in just a second, and boom, there you go. So the setting that I have it with the lighting effects, it has the pulsating one, so let's just shift it just so you guys could see it here on the camera. So there you go. It has all the different colors and everything else. Now again, it also has the lock feature for the escape button. It also has the competitive mode, as you guys can see there. Again, it's a little tough to see with the lighting here, but go back there. Has the mute function, has also the mute function for the microphone and everything else. That's pretty cool. So there you go. Those are the two keyboards that Fnatic Gear had sent over to me. I'm actually gonna bring this over here so you guys can see it. Hopefully I could get it all on the camera. Let me try to organize this a little bit, but there you go. Those are the two Fnatic keyboards, the Streak and the mini Streak here in this unboxing and impressions video. Let me know what's up if you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys enjoyed this unboxing and impressions. Tell me some of your favorite stuff and suggestions that you guys want to see in this series. Let me also, before I even forget, again, because I know I'm just kind of running through it fast, let me show you guys the other thing that Fnatic Gear also sent us. They sent us a jersey that actually has the Koalition printed on the back of it. So we got a little cool Fnatic Gear jersey, which I think is pretty awesome. So big shout outs to them for sending that over. And as well as also like a handwritten letter that said thanks for checking out the keyboards and stuff. So we really appreciate that. But either way, back to business here. Let me know what's up in the comment section below. Subscribe to the Koalition's YouTube channel for all our videos related to unboxing videos, cool podcasts, game dev interviews, game commentaries, and a whole bunch of other great stuff. With that being said, I will talk to you again very soon. Peace out and stay epic, everybody.